Hi guys, welcome to Gladdy Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be talking about how to buy Shibnobi on your Trust Wallet. For you to do that, you have to go to your coin market cap first of all and check the transaction of the day. So after doing that, then let's search for Shibnobi first. So this is my Shibnobi. This is Arabian Shibnobi. I'm looking for Shibnobi. Okay, so this is my Shibnobi as of 7 days ago. This is how the market price is. It's increasing by 101%, which is a very high price, which is okay for the market. So the next thing we have to do is to go down, scroll down, tap on the contract to copy the Shibnobi contract address. So I'm tapping on Ethereum. Okay, then now let's go straight to our wallet, Trust Wallet. On your Trust Wallet, make sure you fund your Trust Wallet with Ethereum. Sorry, with Ethereum. Okay, let me enter my passcode. Tap, go back. Okay, make sure you fund your Trust Wallet with Ethereum by tapping on the receive here. Search for Shibnobi Ethereum. Sorry, Ethereum. Then copy this link and send it to any wallet of your choice to make sure you fund your wallet with Ethereum before this transaction can take place, because Shibnobi is a very good coin. So the next thing you have to do is to go to your discovery button here, then search for pancake swap. So this is my pancake swap. The next thing I have to do is to tap on trade. So I'll be tapping on trade. Then now I can now tap on the cake there to press to paste my contact address. Okay, so look at the Shibnobi. I will import my Shibnobi. So look at the risks I'm taking. So anyone can create token on Ethereum with any name, including creating fake version of existing token and tokens that claim to represent projects that do not have a token. If you purchase a fraudulent token, you may be exposed to permanent loss of funds. So buying crypto is not wrong, but you have to be conscious and very careful of your risks. So the next thing we have to do is to agree, say I understand, then import the. So it's been imported this way. Then the next thing you can write your slippage tolerance. It's preferable. Okay, so you can select any of these slippage tolerance of your choice. Then the next thing you do is to enter the amount that you wish to um buy, you wish to convert before buying. So after that, you tap on the buy button here, buy option there, and then buy your crypto, your Shibnobi. So guys, if this video was helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and then hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video like this. Thanks for watching.